Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5241P. This is a 2021 Ford Transit cargo van with 213 for K. This one is your long wheelbase, 148 wheelbase, and mid roof height. So it does have a pretty nice combination as far as service work for contractors go. Nicely outfitted as well. It's got some shelving on both sides, bulkhead. It's also got these interior ladder racks, which are pretty cool. Says you can have them a ladder wrap up top for those of you that like to go through the drive-throughs and in under garage doors and that kind of thing without having to rip off the doors or rip your roof rack off. So there's 11 feet in here from the bulkhead to the back door, so plenty of room. And there's shelving on both sides, and then it's got that interior ladder rack there to hold a couple different step ladders as well. So something like this is very nicely equipped to do any sort of service work, whether you're doing rural service work or service work in the city. It's a pretty nice setup. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, and there's also a power inverter down there as well for charging 0 batteries on the go to and from your site. So again, nicely outfitted little van. Something like this would work great for any sort of contracting company, whether that's electrical contracting service, plumbing and heating contracting service, or general contracting as well. Again, stock number 5241, 2021 Ford Transit Cargo.